There are two ways that you can learn. One is by experience, trying something for yourself, or learning from someone else. That's it. You see, babies don't know how to trade stocks. So they had to learn from someone else, or they attempted to make money on their own, and that's how they learned. There is no other way. You see, I am like you. I'm not saying that I have a magic secret, that I know something that no one knows. I am like you. I'm just trying to make money. Now, I could give you a list of stocks and companies that will make you rich, but by the time that you watch this video, maybe the opportunity is gone. So I don't focus too much on specific companies, on specific stocks that will make you rich. That's not what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to tell you that it's not so much about charts and reports and trying to predict the future. It's about discipline. Discipline. It starts with your mentality. You see, every morning I look at myself in the mirror and I say, I am the best trader there is. I am the best. And that's my mentality. But am I the only one who knows about the stock market? No. Maybe you know more than I do. But I'm trying to share with you. I'm trying to make you understand that it's not about charts and patterns. And don't get me wrong, understanding the trend, support, resistance, that works for you. But even when you know the trend, when you know where support and resistance are, you could be wrong. Now, the stock market, whenever you make money, you feel good. Okay? You think that you know more than anyone else because you had a gut feeling and you put $1,000 on some stock and you made money. Now you feel good and now you think that you know more than the others. Listen, it is all random. No one knows. Okay? If there was a magic formula, on predicting the future, everybody would be rich. It's not about that. No one knows what's going to happen on Monday morning at 9:30 in the morning. No one knows. Okay? No one can really predict the actions of millions of people. So if you cannot control the market, if you cannot predict the price action, then everything is within yourself. You need to be disciplined. Discipline. That's all it takes. Listen, I'm not better than you. I don't have a magic formula. Like I said, there are only two ways that you can learn. That's by studying what someone else does and try to emulate, right? To imitate or to follow his strategy, or by attempting to figure it out on your own. Now, I could help you. You see, I could save you thousands of dollars. I could save you a lot of energy and time by telling you, don't pay too much attention to charts. Okay, it works if you understand the trend, right? Is this company going up or down? What's the overall trend? What's the support and resistance? But you have to, the key is to set your limits lower than the rest. And I will say it 1,000 times. Now, It's not about predicting the bottom either. It's not about that. You analyze a company. You become very familiar with that company. You study one company. Listen, you could become rich just by studying one company. One. But you got to understand the company in and out. Everything. You need to know everything about that company. That's how you become an expert. I could tell you, listen, trade Apple. Apple is going to be the big hit next year. Apple is going to be worth $500 next year. I could tell you that. And maybe it's true. But I could be wrong. Because I don't know the future. And if I claim that I know, I'm just lying to you. I could try to send you a list of stocks, magic stocks that will make you rich. But do I really know? Like I said, I could flex, showing you some money, and you can make 6 figures every month if you follow my technique. Listen, I don't really know. I'm being honest with you. Now, something that I do know is that it requires discipline. It requires the right mentality. Now, I've made a lot of money. I'm not gonna lie. I've made a lot of money. Now, do I try to sell you a dream? I am the only one who knows the formula. No. I'm telling you. I'm giving you the secret in a very simple way. Find support. Find support. Set your limits below support. Below support. A few dollars below. And wait. And wait. Don't think that you know more than anyone else. Don't think that you know more than anyone else. I've made a lot of money and I've been right plenty of times. But does that mean that now I can predict the future? No. No one knows. I'm just like you. Now, if you pay attention to what I'm saying, because I study a lot, okay? I told you there are 2 ways that you can learn. One is by experience. You try something for yourself, which I do. And also you have to learn from other people, which I do. I don't have the magic and only secret. I study a lot. Now, if you pay attention to my videos, to the things I say, you could learn from me. You don't have to follow exactly step by step the things that I do, but at least you could learn from what I'm saying. And if you think you know more than me, then congratulations, bro. Keep doing what you're doing. If it works for you, keep doing it. I'm telling you. I'm gonna summarize everything. You wanna find stocks that will make you a lot of money? Don't try to invest in so many companies. Okay, I know you gotta diversify, but it's better if you understand one company. Be a master of one company. Study one company. If you keep watching CNBC and they talk about 1 million different companies and you go after another one and you try to make money with another one and then you switch from bull to bear and you try to short, then you're trying to guess too much, my friend. Become a master on 1, 2, 3 companies. You must count with one hand the companies that you trade every year, man. Master only a few companies. Find the trend. Okay? This company has a good history. It's been growing year after year. What is support? What is resistance? Is there a lot of volume? Is there a lot of volatility? Those are the key factors that you need to understand. But listening to someone who tells you, oh, invest in Uber, it's going to be the next hit. Or invest in this company. Listen, by the time you watch this video, the trend is probably gone. The window of opportunity is very narrow. So I will not try to sell you on any specific company. I will tell you that you need the right mentality. The mentality of a salesperson. You need the right attitude, the right psychology. You look at yourself in the mirror, you say, I am the best trader, but I will be disciplined. If I invest and the stock doesn't move in my direction, I will cut it quick. Don't try to prove yourself right. Don't try to prove the market wrong. You don't even need to try to prove me wrong. That's how you will hurt yourself. That's how you will lose money. Be humble, okay? I'm being humble here telling you that I could learn from you. I don't have a magic secret. I don't have a magic secret. All I can tell you is that everything starts here. You need the right attitude, the right mentality. Don't chase. Forget about FOMO. Forget about fear, emotions. Be humble. If you made the wrong move, and by that I mean that the market didn't move in your direction, it's not even your fault, because no one can really predict the future. What I'm saying here, if you invest and you start losing money, get rid of it. Get rid of it. There will be plenty of opportunities tomorrow. Be patient. That's what I'm saying. What I'm saying is that it's all discipline, the right mentality. You want to buy lower than the rest. Become a shark. Have discipline. Now, if you want to prove me wrong and do the opposite, go ahead. Now, I thank you for watching my videos, okay? I'm not going anywhere without you. But if you're humble, if you learn from what I'm saying, from my experience, and you combine it with what you already know, right? The two ways that you can learn, you will be successful. So thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't done so yet. Share this video with your mom, your father, your cousin, your niece, your brother, your sister. And I'll see you in the next one.